Hi guys, we are welcome back, and now in this video I want to be showing you how you can upload your live application to Google Play Store. So first of all, you have to visit from your dashboard on AppJessa. You have to select the app you want to upload, and actually this is how the applications I've created so far. So most of them I've uploaded them already, but this is actually the one I want to be uploading right now. And this application is actually a website that I converted into an application. So now, once you have already selected the app, make sure you are on this Go Live tab so that you can see the instructions that you are expected to follow in order to publish your app. And apart from that, let's go to our Google Play Console account. This is actually my Google Play Console account, and from here you can see all of the apps I've uploaded so far. So this is how the apps you have uploaded will look like. And now that we need to upload a new application, so you just have to click on create app to create a new app, and here you have to enter the app details. You start from the app details. So first of all, you enter the name of the app, which is magazine data. So and here you select the language you want. So I will leave it on this default language, and then the next thing is to select either your app is just an ordinary app or a game. No, it's not a game, and what I'm creating is just an app, and the app is a free app. So you select the free, then the next step you accept all of this declaration, then you go ahead to click on create app. App could not be created. What's the reason? Okay, we haven't selected the language. So since we have selected this, click on create app. So now we have successfully created a new app, and the next thing is to complete the next step. And here we have the start testing. Now you don't need it. All you are after should be the set of your app, and you click on this view tags to see the tasks you are to complete. So now the first task you have to perform is to set your privacy policy app. Click on it, and here it's requiring you to add a privacy policy URL, and this URL we have to get it on our AppJessa dashboard. Click on next, since we have already done all of this step. So here, this is where we have to get it. So here you enter your Google Play Console developer name. This is my developer name. Then you click on generate privacy policy URL. Then you go ahead to copy out this URL. Once you copy it, then you go straight here to paste it here. And once you have pasted it, then you move on to the next step. Click on save. And once you have this message that your changes has been saved, then you come here, click on the dashboard. So go back to the dashboard, and let's move on to the next step. You can see that this privacy policy has been marked because we have done it. So we move on to the app access. So, and this app access is actually where you are to select either your app. You can see that maybe you have to select maybe all functionality in your app is available without any access or restriction. But for this app, as I've said, the app is a VTU website that I converted to a app. So, and since it is a VTU website, people will have to create an account, register, or even log into their account. So I'll be adding this instruction: all or some functionalities in my app is restricted. So then I'll go ahead to create a new instruction. Here I'll create a new instruction, and the name of the instruction should be a user login details. So this user login details, and here you have to enter the username and password that you have used. Let me quickly visit the website. magazine.data.com. So let me see what they are asking to log in. So they are actually asking for email and password, which I already have an account with them. So it is what I will be entering here. I have my email address here. So and I will be entering the password I set on the website. So since I have this password here, then I will scroll down to click on no other information is required. Then you click on add. Now you see that I have already added an instruction, but just take note that if the website you are converting into an application does not have anything like logging into an account or registering an account, you just have to select this option here. But since the app I want to upload has the option, that's why I've entered the login details here. So then you click on this save, and once your changes is saved, then you scroll up to go back to your dashboard and move on to the next step, which is the ads option. And this is where you have to select either your app contains ads or not. And since we are monetizing this app with Google AdWords, you click on yes, and we'll move on to the next tab. And since it is saved, then you go back to dashboard, then you come to this content rating to answer a simple questionnaire about your app. So start questionnaire. Here you first of all enter an email address. So and here you select the category of your app. This is not a game app and this is not a social media app, so it should be all other app type. And you click on next, and here so you answer this questionnaire. Does the app contain any rating relevant content? No. Go down. Does the app natively allow users to interact or exchange content with other users? No. So does the app feature promote? No. Without wasting much time. Okay, does the app focus on promoting or selling items or activities typically restricted? No. So miscellaneous. Does the app share user current location? No. Does the app allow user to purchase digital goods? No. So just answer this questionnaire based on the function of your app. You understand? So this is not a browser and this is not an educational app. So once you are done with this step, you click on the save to save. In order to save your questionnaire, you can see questionnaire save. Then you click on next, then you click on submit in order to submit the questionnaire. So once you are done with this tab, then you click on this dashboard. Click on the dashboard to move on to the next step. So you have to complete all of these steps before you can upload your app. So the next step is the target age, and the target age here is to from 13 to 15, 16 to 17, and 18 and over. Then you click on next. So let's see what we have here again. So is could your store listing unintentionally appeal to children? Yes. Then move on, click on next, then click on save. Once it is saved, go back to dashboard and continue the process. The next step is for you to declare whether your app is a news app or not. This is not a news app, so you click on no and you save, then go back to dashboard. So the next step is to declare whether your app is available for COVID-19 tracking. So you click on this tab that your app is not publicly available for COVID-19 contact tracing. So click on save, then go back to dashboard. Then you move on to the next step, and the next step here is the data safety mode. So, and this data safety mode, we have to import a CSV file, and for us to get this CSV file, you go to your AppJSA dashboard, then you click on next. All of these steps, we have passed these steps. So all we are after now is to download the CSV file. Okay, we are here. So this is actually the link you have to click. So just click on this link and you automatically see the CSV file downloading there. And once it is complete, then you go back to your Google Play console and import a CSV file. Click on upload, then go and locate it from your account details. So open it to upload. Once it is uploaded, you click on import in order to import the CSV file. So, and this CSV file has been uploaded successfully. But before we go on to save, there is a little thing we have to change here. So, is all the user data collected by your app encrypted in transit? Here you have to change this to no. And once it is changed, then you go ahead to save draft. Then you click on next, next, next. Then you submit. And once it is saved, then you go back to dashboard. Then you move on to the next step, which is the government app. And here you just have to declare whether your app is created on behalf of the government or not. Since it is a personal app, you just click on it. Then you save it. Once it is saved, you go back to dashboard. And then you move on to the next step. And here we have the select app category. So here you select whether it's just an ordinary app or a game app. So this is just an app, and here you select the category of your app. And as I've said, this is a VTU website and converted, and it should be under the business category. So here you enter your contact details and email address. So make sure that the email you are going to enter here should be different from your developer email address. So here you enter your phone number, which will be in this format. So, and the next thing here is a website. And for you to add your website, though you might have your own personal website that you want to add here, but I would just advise not to add that to your website, because we already have a website here from AppJSA. So this is the website that we need here. So just copy out this link, then you paste the link here. So, and the reason is that if you didn't copy this link that you have from AppJSA, it is likely that whenever your app is approved, your app is not going to show ads. So make sure you copy the website URL from the guide that you have on AppJSA. Then once you are done with all of these steps, then you click on save in order to move on to the next step. So once you have saved this step, you can see that you didn't see the dashboard here, but you can still access your dashboard here. So, and we have the last step here, which is to set up your store listing. And this store listing, this is where you have to enter your short description and full description about your app. So first of all, you have the app name, the name of your app, how you want it to appear on Google Play Store. So here you enter the short description. So I'll go back to the main website I converted in order to get the description about the app. So I have this description here. So I'll be using this as my short description. While okay, it is too long for the short description. So I have my short description here, but I'll still paste the same thing as my long description. So as full description rather. And here, this is where we are to upload the graphics we created the other time in the previous video. So here we have the magazine one, which is the logo. We drag it here. Okay. So we learn this. So click on upload in order to select the file. We have magazine one here as our app logo. So just wait for it to upload. You can see we have it here. It has uploaded successfully. And here we have the feature graphics, which is the magazine 2. Open it to upload. Then here we have the phone screenshots. So, and I've actually downloaded the app on my phone to get the screenshots from the app. So I have the app on my desktop and I'll be uploading it now. So these are the screenshots right here. So I'll be marking all of this. So this is the 5 screenshots I have. Then I'm uploading it already. Just wait for it to complete load. So you can see that the feature graphic has loaded completely and the screenshots has already loaded as well. And just in case you uploaded something you don't need, so once you click on it, you can easily click on this delete icon to delete the image. So once we are done with this step, then we still have the last graphics we are going to upload. So and that is from our download tab as 3. And under this option you have to upload at least 2. So once the download is complete, then you scroll down again. Okay, the second one has not been uploaded. So you scroll down to upload to the last box. The same third image you uploaded to the previous box. So all of this section you are to upload at least 2 graphics for each of it, and once you are done with all of this, then you are done. Go ahead to click on save, and once your changes is saved, then you go back to the dashboard. So what we have done so far is just that we have given Google the full details about our application. Now the next thing is to go and upload the AAB file that we have. So you will see that we are already done with the setting up of our app, and the next thing is to create and publish a release. And under here we have just 3 tasks to complete. And the first one is to select the countries and region you want your app to be available in. So once you are on this page, click on the add countries, and you can easily click here to select all of the countries you want. So, and just in case you want your app to be available only in Nigeria, then you search for Nigeria and tick on it as we have it here. But if the implication is just that if you click on one country, it's just that only the country you select that will be able to be seeing your app on Google Play Store. So somebody from maybe United States or from Malaysia cannot see your app. But I will just advise you select all the countries in order to make your app available on all the 176 countries that we have. So then click on add countries, and once you are done with this step, then the final step is to create a new release. And on this tab is where we are to upload our AAB file. So let me go back to the dashboard on AppJSON to download our AAB file. So click on the download button, and don't forget you have to click on this rebuild and download AAB file. So just wait for the process to Okay, now you will see that the next page is loading and our app have started downloading automatically. So just wait for it to download, and while we are waiting, you go back to your Google Play console, and this is actually where we are to upload the AAB file, and I guess the app has completely downloaded. Okay, just wait for it to download. And below here we have the release note. This release note we can easily insert the short description we entered earlier. So once you have the description there, then let's see, maybe our app has been downloaded successfully. So since the app has been downloaded, I have dragged in the app here. Just drag in the app here to upload. And once the upload is complete, you are going to see it will automatically bring out a release name. So just wait for the process. So this is actually the final step of uploading, the final process we have to take in order to upload our app to Google Play Store. So just wait patiently for it. So the app has been uploaded successfully. So the next thing, just click on this save draft, then click on next, and once you have this page, you will see this start roll out to production. Click on it, then click on roll out. So when we are done with the uploading of our app, so all you just have to do is to wait for your app, and your app is already under review, and wait for it for at least 3 to 5 working days before your app will be uploaded to Play Store, will be approved to Google Play Store. So this is just the easy way you can follow to upload your mobile application to Google Play Store. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.